well-being of Jamaicans and visitors is of paramount importance to us as a government and us as a people. Therefore, our aim is to make it safe and enjoyable as you travel.
Road safety must become a daily part of our lives. We must be responsible for our safety on the roads. Let's walk, ride, and drive with care, as the life we save may be our own.
The JJRA feels confident that our program this year will impact drivers, motorcyclists, pedestrians, and students, making them more aware of the importance of proper road safety practices.
We have to start at a tender age to regroup and educate the nation. We also undertake projects such as repainting of pedestrian crossing, facilitating blood drives, and conducting driving seminars. This year we'll be adding to our project a riding seminar, as motorcyclists need to be more aware of the safe practices.
Government takes seriously our responsibility to create safer roads for all our people, particularly our children and other vulnerable road users. That is why we have vigorously pursued the passage of the amended Road Traffic Act, which covers areas such as the establishment of the Island Traffic Authority and its functions, the road code, classification of vehicles, revocation of certificate of fitness, application grant and refusal of learner's permit or driver's license, and of course, offenses relating to the licensing of a driver. All of which we believe are critical areas that must be targeted to reduce road fatalities.
There is a black box in every vehicle. When you hear a plane crash, you hear we're looking for the black box. I only learned through this that every car that has an airbag has a black box. The black box can tell us what you were doing before and what you were doing at the point of impact. And I put in place an issue for the holiday program workers with the Denby High School, that we're going to begin to train the children at the school at the fifth level, form level, in how to analyze a black box in a car.
Research conducted revealed that in 2014, it cost $8 billion Jamaican dollars to treat road crash victims at the various hospitals across the island, and indirectly affected productivity to the tune of $3 billion. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if we are truly to become a prosperous nation, every individual must play his or her part in curtailing the number of crashes and the deaths and injuries that result from them. All of us must continue to do everything in our power to ensure that we keep our figures under 300. And know that is the benchmark. But we need to see if we can even lower that benchmark this year to somewhere between 250 to 275. So I therefore urge motorists to desist from speeding, wear seatbelts, practice defensive driving, avoid using cell phones while driving. So again, I encourage pedestrians to use the road with caution. Use pedestrian crossings or safe places, walk facing the oncoming traffic, and again, always wear bright colors and bright and light color clothing when in the dark.
Take road safety practices seriously and make a dent in the high fatality rate associated with motor vehicle crashes which plague our nation.